At present, I'm connected with NSWE, that is Nari Shakti Women Empowerment, which is in India, in a large scale. They do the child welfare, animal rescue, and for the old people also. They take care of them whenever, it is possible for them.
All right.
So they have given me the position of Karnataka's president.
क्या बात है, brilliant, very good, wonderful.
Yeah, and otherwise I'm taking care of my 12 pets also.
12 pets, did you say?
Yeah,
wow.
I'm a mama for them.
क्या बात है, how many animals are those? What
They
are
all
those?
are cats.
All are cats.
Yeah.
तो अगर मैं, if I'm not wrong, क्या मैं ये कह सकता हूँ कि when it comes to you, जब आप इसका मायना निकालना चाहे कि क्वीन ऑफ सब्सटेंस का मायना क्या होगा, तो क्या इसका मायना ये होगा? An age-old saying, something we've heard all our life, but very few have the guts to emulate and follow. Tough times don't last, tough people do, and that's what life is. And thank you so much for sharing that part with us. So please introduce yourself, tell us who you are, where you come from, and how you landed here.
First of all, thank you so much. I've got the opportunity to explain about myself in front of everyone. Even though all of them, they are very talented, I'm here to learn something from them, or maybe if they can also pick something from me from
Absolutely,
my life
both ways,
yeah. My name is Preeti.
Yeah.
I have been having a retail experience in Gulf countries.
Wow.
So all over the countries I've traveled. And finally, in this age, I've got a US visa also.
Wow.
Even though it was very tough. So I want to explore that country also. Yeah, just to learn something and then giving back to the society.
Then give back to the society.
At present, I'm connected with NSWE, that is Nari Shakti Women Empowerment, which is in India, in a large scale. They do the child welfare, animal rescue, and for the old people also. They take care of them whenever, it is possible for them.
All right.
So they have given me the position of Karnataka's president.
क्या बात है, brilliant, very good, wonderful.
Yeah, so it's a big thing. Like I have to really.
You really have some heavy shoulders because of all the weight that has been thrust on you.
And otherwise, I'm taking care of my 12 pets also.
12 pets, did you say?
Yeah,
wow.
I'm a mama for them.
क्या बात है, how many animals are those? What
they
are
all
those?
are cats.
All are cats.
Yeah,
wonderful.
it started from when my last job was in Qatar. So I came home. So one stray, she came home, and then the story started from there.
And the stray invited the rest of the gang.
Yeah.
So why we stray? We all will play here.
Yeah. So each one of them, they are having their names. So they are much better than the dogs. The way I have trained them and all. So apart from that, I rescue birds also.
Wow.
I learned a lot of things from the animals because animals, they have a really truly they are a genuine friends to us.
They know the real meaning of love. The way they love, उसका कोई हिसाब नहीं है, कोई तोड़ नहीं है, या उसकी बराबरी कोई भी नहीं कर सकता।
मेरा नाम प्रीति है, हिंदी में तो उसका मतलब लव ही होता है ना, प्यार मोहब्बत।
वो actually एक animal है, that's what you want to say। बहुत ही बढ़िया बात।
So it's a example for me, whoever comes in our home, so they see that okay, oh, this is how. So I get the chance to explain them, they are the true friends, and we humans also should be with each other, same like that. Yeah.
तो अगर मैं, if I'm not wrong, क्या मैं ये कह सकता हूँ कि when it comes to you, जब आप इसका मायना निकालना चाहे कि क्वीन ऑफ सब्सटेंस का मायना क्या होगा, तो क्या इसका मायना ये होगा कि to be able to love everybody unconditionally because you have so many animals that you have learned from them and you'll give them equal love, and is this what you would want to say?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, because see, love is the most special, precious thing in the whole world, So if you have something genuinely in your eyes, the person who's sitting in front of you, he, she, or whoever, from the other nationality who's not able to understand your language also. But by seeing your expressions and all, they understand, okay, this person is having something soft corner for me, So always their heart is open for you.
Yeah.
So without the language, only language is just the barrier, So it's like animals that teach us a lot of good things.
Yeah. आपको देख के ना, मेरे को जो आपने बोला उससे मुझे एक चीज लग रहा है। I think we can say that love is the softest weapon that can affect everyone. That can cast an effect on everyone and hurt everyone to the extent that they fall in love with you.
That's
Absolutely,
right?
right?
Yeah.
Brilliant. क्या बात है, कैसा लगा यहाँ आके?
Oh wow, it's
और
wonderful.
इधर आने का मकसद क्या हुआ? How did you get into this?
Actually, last year only I got selected, but the day we were about to fly, my son he dislocated his arm.
Oh, my
So it was just like, oh my God, it was in August month.
okay.
So every day having a dream, you know, I have to go back, you know, and then
एक साल से लगा हुआ प्लान.
हाँ नहीं एक साल से नहीं, yeah, August से, last August से. So
Yeah.
dreams में भी आ रहा है, so something nice I have to prepare. So just like, you know, Ritika ma'am, she's like no matter how experienced or how, whether some of us, we are elder to her, but she's like a principal to us, you know, at this moment.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we have to listen to her, what she wants to, because see, learning process never ends. This everybody knows about that, you know. So it's just like if someone has given us some task, so we have to try our best, no matter where we land, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you are not able to land on the moon, at least we are landing on the stars. That is what we have to
Absolutely.
think about.
And the stars
Yeah.
are farther, so you have reached farther than the moon. Yeah, actually.
Yeah, that's right.
Hai na?
Yeah, something like
How
that.
do you see your life going from here after the pageant is over?
My life is very busy, very hectic. Somehow I made the time. I mean, you know, I have taken out the time to come here. Back home, responsibilities given to several different people. And here, when I'm here, so I have to see that what other ladies in the whole world, you know, that why they are here. Each one of them, they are having their lovely, very good experiences. So when we hear, as we have to be a very good listener.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not necessary that all 10 points you are going to grab it from me. Maybe
Yeah.
one or two or maybe half only it's of your interest. So maybe if you're going to utilize it for the benefit of society, for the friends or whichever way, you know, it's really going to be beneficial for the person who is going to listen to you. And because, as I'm hearing you, I heard all of them. If I'm going to use something, it is going to be beneficial for somebody.
For
else.
everyone.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah, तो ऐसे ही वो सर्कल जो है वो चलता चला जाएगा. Just like,
Yeah.
पहले आपने कुछ कहा था कि hands to hands, like the weight will be less and then, you know, it will be multiply and all that. So yeah, that is how it has to be.
बहुत बढ़िया. So we have a live example of how it is affecting everyone. Thank you so much, Preeti, for sharing all that you have. And I hope that the list of felines and the flying creatures increases, including more four-legged ones coming into your home, which is a haven of love for all. Thank you so much. Lovely speaking to you.
Thank you so much, sir. Pleasure is mine. Thank you.